Welcome, today I'm with me Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or just remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to edit icon, and now we can see here this down section with all of invisible icons. If you want to add some options here to your notification panel shortcuts, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this up section. By this way you can add all of this icon here if you want. If you want to remove some of the icons, just by the same way hold and drag this icon to the down section. And just to change the positions of the icons, we should just hold and just change it by this way. To save the changes, let's go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.